Hi, this is Randy with ProNiche Store. We're going to create a database using phpmyadmin. We'll also be creating a database user, and we'll be linking the database with the database user and granting all permissions for that user on that database so that we can use it with our ProNiche Store. First off, log into phpmyadmin. You'll have a home page much like this. In the middle of the home page, there's a Create New Database label here. Go to the text field just below that and type in the new name for your database. We're going to use PNS1. We'll click the Create button. For your database, you'd want to use a different name, probably a little bit more descriptive than just PNS1. I'm using that as an example. So we've created the database. Now we're ready to create the database user. To create the database user, we click the Home button. It looks like a little house. On the home screen, there is a Privileges link. Click that. It gives you a list of all the users that are on your database server. Go to Add a New User. We're going to add a new user with the same name as our database, which is PNS1. We're going to select local. It'll put localhost in this field. You can type localhost there, but you'll be wanting to use localhost for most hosting packages. So this is pretty much what you'll want to use. For password, we're going to put in test1, and we'll retype it. Next, we'll just hit the Go button, which is a little bit, yeah, you can see it, Go here. When that finishes, it'll tell us that it's added a new user, and we're going to scroll down from that on that screen, and we're going to add privileges. This add database specific privileges. We're going to add privileges to the following database, and we'll select our PNS1. It's saying that we're going to add privileges to user PNS1 at localhost on database PNS1, which is what we want. We're going to check all, which is this button here. That'll check all the privileges, and then we'll hit Go. We have created the database, created the database user, and we've added privileges to that database for that user.